Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cooking Diaries. Today I'm going to show you super easy yet so much flavorful ricotta pancakes. Pancakes are one of my favorite breakfast items, and these light and fluffy ricotta pancakes just takes it to another level. So without further delay, let's get started. To make these pancakes, I'm using 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, that's the whole can, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of regular sugar, some vanilla for flavoring, 3 large eggs, and we will be using a zest of 1 entire lemon. First I'm going to crack open the eggs into a big bowl. To this we will add our 2 tablespoons of sugar and also a little bit of vanilla. Now give it a good whisk. We are going to mix our eggs until sugar is all dissolved and eggs are in a little bit light pale in color. Alright, now to this we will add our buttermilk and also the ricotta cheese. And we will mix this until everything is mixed well and formed into a nice homogeneous mixture. Alright, our cheese mixture is ready. So now let's bring in our flour. So to the flour I'm going to add my salt and also the baking powder and give it a quick mix with a fork. Now I'm going to sift all of these dry ingredients into it. Now mix it with a whisk until the flour is just combined with the cheese mixture. Now to this we are going to add the lemon zest from an entire lemon. The addition of lemon zest adds an amazing flavor to these pancakes. If you like lemon flavor, you could go ahead and add couple tablespoons of lemon juice as well, but I think the flavor from the zest itself is good enough for me, so that's what I'm going to add. Now give it a mix until the lemon zest is also mixed well into the batter. Now keep the batter aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. The batter would be ready. Meanwhile, I'll bring out my griddle and have it nice and ready to make some pancakes. Alright guys, I'm trying to use my griddle to make pancakes, but you could make it on stove on medium heat on any pan. I just like to use my griddle because I could make a lot of pancakes in one go. So on your griddle or in a pan, if you're making it in a pan, add some butter or cooking spray, whatever you prefer. Just like that or so. Now I like to use 1/4 cup as a measurement, so I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of batter and pour it on and let them cook for a couple minutes on each side. So if you're cooking on stove top, it would be on the medium heat. On the griddle, you could maintain the temperature at 325 and cook them. And once you notice that the batter doesn't look wet and you notice that there are bubbles popping on top of the pancakes, that's when you know that they are ready to be flipped. Despite having so much of ricotta cheese and very little flour in them, these pancakes do puff up really nice and they are so good once cooked. After a couple minutes of cooking this side as well, our pancakes are ready to be taken off of the griddle. So basically I'll repeat the same process and make all of my pancakes. This is how I like to serve these pancakes, with some nice and fresh fruits and some real maple syrup on top. Now it's time for a taste test, guys. I'm going for all of it. These lemon ricotta pancakes are so awesome, guys. They are soft, they are moist, they are fluffy. You know, sometimes pancakes tend to get dry, either you have to drink a lot of milk or add too much of syrup just to eat them. But these pancakes are not like that. They are so moist and super fluffy and light, and they stay like that for a really long time. And they are so satisfying and filling because they are high in protein. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I will see another video. Until then, bye.